InDesign can certainly be used for vector shape creation. We're going to create a page decoration, or a logo derivation, if you will. In this instance, I'm going to create a logo. I'm navigating to the toolbar, and I'm going to select the rectangle tool. I'm going to click and drag out a rectangle. I'm now going to gridify this shape. I'm using the up arrow, and I'm using the right arrow. So we've got a 4x4 grid now. I'm going to hold the shift key because I want to constrain the shape. I am going to size it appropriately. What I'm going to do next is I am going to remove the stroke, and I am going to add a fill to this shape. I'm going to add a fill of green. I'm now going to select that shape, and I'm going to rotate it. Remember, if you see the double-headed arrow, it means we can resize. If you see the curved double-headed arrow, it implies that we can rotate. As I rotate, I hold the shift key so that I can constrain the rotation to 45 degrees. And what I'd like to do is I would like to add a fill into these 4 squares in the center. So I'm going to select that shape. I'm going to hold shift. I'm going to select that shape, that shape. I'm going to hold shift and select that shape. We're now going to head on over to the control panel. I'm going to select the fill color of paper. I'm going to select all of those shapes, and I am going to group this so it stays together. We navigate to the object menu and we select group. This will now move as a group together. What I'd like to do now is to place this logo throughout the entire document. So I would need to use it in the parent pages. The first thing I will do is, once it is selected, I am going to go to the edit menu and I'm going to select cut. We navigate back to a parent, to the parent pages, and I'm going to edit, paste. I'm now going to move it onto the top masthead. It's a little bit large, so I'm going to hold the shift key and I'm going to make it smaller. Beautiful. I'm now going to hold the alt or the option key, click and drag across. You can see the smart guides, the green lines that are assuring us that this duplicate object is lined up, and I let go. Navigating back to the document by double-clicking on each of the document pages in the Pages panel shows us that this logo is in fact placed on every page of our menu.